The Vatican and business come together. Sound like strange, but it's true. The Pope bless business plan, or the Vatican and the business come together. The question is, what kind of business plan Pope offer? This is multi-million dollar question, isn't it? A new initiative brings the Vatican and the CEO together. The Pope has named Mark Benioff and the CEO of MasterCard, Visa, Bank of America, and Allianz CalPERS, Merck, JNG, and BP as the guardian of inclusive capitalism under the leadership noted Epstein, Paul, and Bilderberg, Slotworth, Lynn, and Forrester D. Rothschild. Antichrist Dajjal bring Vatican into this in the name of business. Yes, I know what kind of business they talk about. They're forcing us to moving towards the pre-planned world, and this will be the large open prison for mankind. In the name of this climate change, what is it all about? This is the pre-planned world in 2030. If I tell you the whole plan, you may get heart attack because I know the complete plan of the climate change. This will be the most successful project of Antichrist Dajjal he ever did. First, they will apply in G7 and then G20 country. Later, they will spread it around the world. If you want more information and details plan, I've already uploaded 2 videos. Number 1, climate change, the agenda of 2030. Please go and watch. You will understand what is the plan. Climate change, the world doesn't need money. Watch that. You will understand what's they up to. The Vatican and the business come together. It may seem an unusual pairing, but the big business and Pope Francis, a pontiff who has repeatedly criticized capitalism, but at the end they announce a new partnership today. The latest sign of the growing influence of environmental, social, and governance or ESG practice in business. Meet the Council of the Inclusive Capitalism with the Vatican, a group of business, investor, and the other groups that represent $2.1 trillion in market cap and 200 million employees. The group has announced pledge towards environmental and sustainable business goals that fit into the ESG movement with Pope Francis' blessing. The 27 leaders of the council are known as the guardian of the inclusive capitalism, like MasterCard, Visa, Bank of America. All of these powerful people, they will meet each other in every year. Their commitment to achieve net zero carbon emission by 2050, that it's announced in February with Francis and Cardinal Peter Turkson, who leads the Vatican department dealing with the many other social issues. Conclusion. Now we know why the Vatican make business plan. I hope I give you enough hint or sufficient question to understand the subject related to the future. Why the Vatican came in a business. Why Antichrist Dajjal bring Vatican into the business. If you want more information in details plan, I've already uploaded a video, Climate Change, the Agenda of 2030. Please watch that video. You will understand what's they up to.